Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing some more unboxings. This should be almost the last video of a lot of unboxings, I guess, or a majority of it. I have some few that we're going to unbox individually in separate videos, so sit back and enjoy the video. I'll start with this one here. This one's supposed to be easy. So here we go. Starting off with this one here. Here we have a Verizon Samsung device. No power. Does have a battery, model number SCHI405, has a SIM card, and has an SD card, 4 GB. I have so many SD cards. Here we have a Samsung Note 4. Now I don't have a Note 4, that's kind of why I wanted this one. The AMOLED panel doesn't seem to be cracked or damaged, so that's a good start. Feels kind of light, has no S Pen. I'm gonna guess it has no battery, but I could be wrong. It does. SM910, it's gonna be a Verizon device, no SIM card, no SD card. Hopefully we can get this one to work. Takes a micro USB, being the older one. iPhone 5S or iPhone SE, I'm thinking it's a 5S. LCD doesn't look damaged. No power. So I'm going to guess it's probably dead. Here's iPhone 5C. LCD looks good on it as well. No power, but I'm going to guess even if these did work, they're probably iCloud locked. And if they are, they will be drop test videos, or I will take the screens off them if I need them for something. Here's a Samsung SCHU320 on Verizon. It does have a battery, as you've seen. Does not power on. It's probably dead. Put those over there. Interesting wrapping paper, but it works. This phone I bought a while ago, 9/20 of 23 as well. Got all the stuff falling over here. Just stacking it up on my chair. So, let's see, Alcatel One Touch. The back cover comes off with one piece. I thought it slid for some reason in the middle. Does have a battery, 2 GB SD card. Smack the camera. Model number One Touch 960C. Micro USB charging. And there's the power button. No power on it. Push it to the side. Grab another one. And I will get back into doing reviews on each model. It's going to take me some time. But I will start doing that as soon as I can get through this unboxing of phones I bought and get them tested and find out what I need to do with them. And I will start making videos like that again as well, doing phone reviews. Here we have two devices. No battery on this one. Samsung SGHT619 on T-Mobile. And we're going to have the sticky stuff on the top again. LCD does look good. I have the CDMA version of this on Sprint. And then I had one of these as well, and the keyboard was messed up. This one's got a dent in it, but you can probably make it work. LG VX8700 on Verizon. Got some nicks in the front. I think I have another one of these somewhere too. Might still be in one of the videos I have to do. There's that one. Another Alcatel device to add to my collection. This is a Kyocera. I'm not sure how the back cover comes off of this one, I'll be honest. It looks like it slides, but it doesn't. It's got to pull off somehow. Maybe it doesn't come off. Let's open this up. Right here it is. There we go. That's a big battery too. Look at that. It's almost thicker than the phone. Kyocera KX12B. Like I said, this is an Alcatel device. This is an interesting cover. You can see where it tells you to pull. I do have a Kyocera charger like that, so I should be able to test it. It looks like it's got a flashlight. Push this one all the way over here. Cut right there. I do have a receipt for me. Here is an Alcatel HTC. Definitely interesting battery cover to get off as well. And model number PPC680 or 6800, my bad. Recyclable. There you go. Same with the battery. It's an interesting back cover. Look how it's cut out for the camera. I'm guessing it's probably going to be dead. See, it's pretty nasty up in the corner. Pretty sure it could be cleaned up. Dead as well. Set that one to the side. There's another one. Guess can't pull the tin out on this one. Pull it out this way. Here's a Motorola Talkabout on Alcatel. Oh, it takes the little battery, so let's see if I get the model number off, but I really don't want to. Oh, they're stuck in there. No model number on this one, sorry guys, but there it is. I guess I'll check, make sure I didn't show the label on this one. Well, that was unnecessary for that, but here it is. Samsung SCH U360. This is on Verizon. This is a purple color, which not very many of them I've seen. Looks like it has a screen protector on the inside still. We'll leave it there. No power, it's probably dead. Here is a few more. So this one looks like a complete parts phone. LCD is damaged on the outside. The inside one looks good though. No battery, no back cover. SGH A437 on the model. Pretty poor shape on that one. Here we have a Motorola T720C. Red indicator I don't know, it's got two of them on there. One's red, one's white. Half water damaged, I guess. I think this one's on Alcatel. No carrier. It does turn on though. It's got power. It is on Alcatel. Got a few more to go through. This one I was really looking forward to when I ordered it because it looks really cool. It's one of the thinner phones. I think I have one, but it's missing the flap. This is on Singular. Well, it's on AT&T, but it's got a Singular SIM card in it. W350A is the model. Does have a battery, no micro SD card, but a SIM card at least. And I do have a charger for it, so that would be easy to test. Slide this down, it's got your little buttons here for your music. Guess it has no charge. Guess there's a lock there. Turn that off, see if it makes a difference. It does not. Does not have any charge in it. We're down to a few left, so these are both in pouches. Here is a Sanyo PM8200S in silver. LCD looks good. Looks to be in pretty good shape on this one too. Probably have a lot of those. Well, I think I bought it for this phone here though. Samsung SPH A900. As you can see on the battery, it's got a replacement battery in it and an extended battery. LCD looks good. No power. Front display looks good. Definitely got some nicks and stuff. I think this is actually aluminum on the front. Maybe even the body of it. There's those two. Here we have this one here. And there's a seat on the back side of it. HTC One M7. Shattered. Really bad shape on the back. Beats audio. No power. I don't know what kind of tamper-proof seal. So I guess if you charge it, there's no warranty on it, I guess. But interesting. Let's go. We got two left. This one I had to kind of tape up. Well, I guess got three left. Kind of tape up, write up some information because it's too small to get rid of. Here that one is a ZTE on Verizon F350. Got the little tamper-proof sticker over the screw. Some kind of tape on the button there. There's that one, and then we have, actually I guess three more. This one here. Let's see if I can open this one. The label's really bad on this one. Do it that way. There it is. This one was a hard find actually. It took me a while to find one of these, but I knew they existed, so I went for this one. I can't remember what I paid for it. I think it was like 30 bucks. This is a Samsung, I think it's SPH. I think it still runs off of Sprint towers. Label's really bad. M305. Pretty sure that's what it says. Yep, M305. Now this phone is on Disney Mobile though. As you can see, on the inside, pretty much the same as the Samsung M300 on Sprint. Here's another one. I just push it through. It is on T-Mobile. It is Samsung SGH T379. No battery, no micro SD, and no SIM card. There's that one. Slides. It's a Gravity. I think it's a Gravity 2. Can't be too sure, to be honest with you. Probably my first one, actually. Oh, I cut my desk. Oops. And then we got the last ones here. Alright. Kyocera on US Cellular, untested. Model number K4130 maybe. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments on this one. Does not have a battery. It's actually in really good shape though. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.